Welcome to today I am going to tell you about Jupiter's transit to Capricorn. Jupiter is going to transit to Capricorn on 20th of November, that is tomorrow. Jupiter is a most beneficial planet. Already Saturn is placed in Capricorn, which is its own sign. Saturn is Karmadipati and Jupiter is Dharmadipati. The conjoin of these two powerful planets will make way for a cosmic drama in which all humans are going to be affected in one way or other. Out of the 12 Rashis or zodiac, 7 of them are going to be benefited the most. We can say it is a Raj Yog in their life. Now I will tell you in detail about every Rashi or zodiac. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it. I want to tell you another thing here. From December 1st, 2020, we are planning to start daily predictions of astrology in the same channel. Kindly watch it, share this with your friends, family and relatives. Like it, share it and subscribe it. We will see about Aries. For Aries, this period is going to be 80% positive. We can say it is a good time for Arians. Family happiness can be got. Siblings will be of most use to you. Starting of new business, getting promotions, new ventures are indicated for you. Inflow of money will be very good. You can start savings of money, change of place, promotion, change of place, either promotion way or education way is indicated for you. But along with this, some things are there where you need to be careful. You should control your anger, otherwise it will tell upon your health and tell upon getting litigations and all. Take care of the health of your parents. In this transit, if you wear a amethyst bracelet, it will be a talisman for you which can help you. As far as Taurus is concerned, this period is going to get a big change in your life. A collapsed or closed business will once again retrieve. You can start earning well. If you have lost a job, you will get a more beneficial job than what you were working earlier. Help from colleagues, brothers are seen. Buying of property, house, land are seen. Health will be very good. Any problems you are facing in your health, it will be cured in this period. The negative aspects which you are going to see is quarrels with the spouse is indicated in this transit, and parents' health will be a concern. This transit is going to be 80% positive for you. Wear turquoise bracelet for making it more positive. For Gemini, this period is going to bring in lot of spiritual awakening and spiritual development in your life. Apart from that, if you are in politics, you will get very big victory in this transit. Young entrepreneurs who are going to start a business can plan for starting a business. They can start business and earning very well. Your reputation will grow. Along with that, the negative aspects are disturbances at working place and disturbances at home is indicated for you. Problems and loss due to partners. Partners may backstab you or cheat you. Health needs more care. Unpleasant transfers are indicated for persons who are in job. This transit is 40% positive for you. You are advised to wear a azurite malachite bracelet for making this period more positive. For Cancer, this period is going to be a golden period for you. Huge gains are indicated in business. Financial upgrowth will be there. Success in court cases are indicated. You can achieve what all you were wishing from a long time. Abroad travels are indicated. Scope of buying and selling of property is indicated. Along with that, you should be careful that you should not interfere in others' affairs or it will lead to litigations and legal problems. This transit is 90% positive for you. To make it 100% positive, you are advised to wear a smoky quartz bracelet. Leo. For Leo, this period is going to be very good. Auspicious events will take place in your life. Auspicious events like marriage, childbirth, housewarming are indicated for you. Starting of new business is there. Politicians will get immense victory. Unexpected victory in all aspects is seen. You will leave your job and try to start business and gain much profit in that, but you should be careful that enemies will always be in back of you. They will try to backstab you. Health issues may be a concern. Loss in court cases is indicated for you. The positivity percentage is only 50%. To make it more positive, you are advised to wear a garnet bracelet. Virgo, this transit of Jupiter to Capricorn will be 90% positive. We can say it is a very good time for you. Auspicious events will will take place in your life. Curing of long lasting diseases are indicated for you. It can be told as a turning point in your life. Promotion, starting of new ventures, starting of new business is indicated. Buying land, house, vehicles are seen in this period for you. Good relationship will be maintained with everybody. But along with this, you should be careful that women who are going to deliver should take care of their health. There is problem of miscarriage. This period, to make it more smooth, you can wear a amethyst bracelet. Libra. Recovery of lost property and recovery of debts are indicated for you. Ancestral property cases will be solved in your favor. Auspicious expenses will be there, like spending for charity, spending for marriage, etc. New business you can start. Confusions in life will go away from you. You will have a better environment in your life, but you should be careful of your elders' health. You should take more care of it. For you, it is 70% positive, this transit of Jupiter. You are advised to wear a aquamarine bracelet to make this period more good. Scorpio. For you, marriage are in your cards. Possibility of getting married is there. This can be told as a golden period, and you will get success in inflow of money. You will get success in your business. Celebrities and politicians may get award for their work. Family reunion is seen for you. Stuck up money, you can get it back. Your debts, you can get it back. Profit and unexpected gains are indicated for you, but you should be careful that this period may cause insomnia in many of you. Ways to wear a garnet bracelet. Sagittarius. New business and job hunt will fetch you good outcome. Transfer with promotion is indicated for many of you. Obstacles and disappointments will be removed from your path. Getting help and job in abroad is indicated for you. Enemies will become friends. Distress, depression, debts will all get cleared. But you should be careful of health issues like spondylitis, back pain, and lower back pain, joint pains, and all. This period can be told to be 70% positive for you. To make it more positive, you are advised to wear a smoky quartz bracelet. Your children's future will be very good. Their education, job, marriage, getting settled. You can do all this. They will be in a very good position. Savings will grow in your life. Success in all endeavors are seen. Reunion with family after a long period is seen for you. Ancestral property cases can be won without any problem. Obstacles and delays in your life will go, but you should be careful in long journeys and driving because you are prone to accidents. Your depression is also indicated for you. You are advised to wear a black tourmaline bracelet to make the period more positive. You have 70% positivity in this transit of Jupiter. Aquarius. Success in education, business, job is seen for you. You can buy a vehicle. Vehicle buying is there in your cards, but you should take more care of expenditure. Lot of expenditure and outflow of money is indicated for you. Investment, taking loans, putting surety signature is a no-no for you. You shouldn't do that. Promotion, litigation, court cases will go out of your favor. Be careful. Postponement is more good for you. This transit of Jupiter is going to fetch you only 30% positive outcome. So to make it more positive, you are advised to wear a aquamarine bracelet. Pisces. Financial improvement will be there for you. Savings will grow. It is a wonderful time for you. If you are designing for a transfer to your own place, you can get it. Victory in all aspects is seen for you. You can win over your enemies. You can win in your court cases. Political gains are indicated for you. Buying of vehicles is also indicated for you. But you should be always careful. There are people who are trying to cheat you and backstab you and cause loss of money in your life. This transit of Jupiter is considered to be 60% positive for you. To make it more positive, you are advised to wear a amethyst bracelet. Please, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, you subscribe our channel, you like it, you share it. From December 1st, we are going to start daily predictions for everyday predictions in English for all the 12 zodiacs every day. Please watch it, subscribe it, like it and share it.